we would not be made equal to Pakistan. And if President Trump decided that Pakistan army chief is going to have breakfast with him, then we would have something to say about that. Now, what has happened? You've done a trade deal. It's small. It's written small in the back. Now, let me tell you what is written about data. Our most valuable asset. The thing that is going to transform India in the 21st century. The thing that is going to make us a superpower in the 21st century. This is what the Modi government has done with our data. Number one, we give up control over our digital trade rules. Number two, there is no need for data localization. Number three, free data flow to the United States. Number four, limit on digital tax. Number five, no need to disclose any source code. The finance minister is smiling. She likes to smile. She likes to smile a lot. 20-year free tax holiday to anybody who wants it, to the big tax companies. This is what you've done on data. Second, no, I'll come to that, brother. Second, what have you done on tariffs? So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. And talk this type of nonsense. Yes, are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No. We are patiently listening to Honorable Leader of Opposition. We are patiently listening. But the words.
So I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful. You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense.
So how can you? Okay,
when the finance minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. Yes. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
That's not abusive, my friend.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने यूज किया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not appropriate.
I did not use nonsense, sir.
You have used.
Okay, sir, I won't use nonsense.
Please.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse.
No.
There's nothing, in saying, are you not ashamed, there is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
okay, sir, let me speak.
Forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker, sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. Speaker sir, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर. पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं. मैं क्यों बोलूं? I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए. नहीं देखिए आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया. किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया.
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर
But that
रहा.
subject is not related with the budget.
Okay, sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow. That will not
I'm
be
not
part
saying
of-
Epstein.
Okay, चलिए.
Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं जिसपे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे सवाल देंगे? वो किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं. अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
Speaker sir,
आप नियम 352, 5 और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़ रहे हैं.
ओके, तो बोलने तो
अरे
दीजिए.
आप नियम जानिए.
ओके.
आप नियम
सर,
जानिए.
अदानी जी जो हैं,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए. देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें. बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर.
बजट पे आलोचना
सर, आप मुझे
करें.
करने दीजिए.
आपको बिल्कुल लगा. आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को.
Sir, Mr. Adani is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कहाँ नहीं, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir,
There are-
at the financial
there are so
network
many
of
companies.
the
No,
BJP,
no,
at
no,
the
you are
financial
charging-
architecture of the
You are
BJP.
leveling charges against higher authority and only you can speak. जी प्लीज. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल.
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनकी आदत बन गई है. टिपिकली सुनाते हैं.
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा,
श्री
हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री
सुन रहे
अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी
पूरा सदन सुन रहा है. पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
सर,
पूरा सदन
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just
Okay, one
making any
second.
wild
One second.
allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will
Give me.
diminish your own
I'll give you
position.
a reason. I'll give
you
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे.
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर,
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल, नो
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr.
से
Hardeep Puri knows who
आप ये
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है, सर.
रानी हो,
हरदीप पुरी is a member of
अपनी
parliament
बात का आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता. पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office, authority, unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक.
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, आई एम रीडिंग
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industrialist.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it. How if any file, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul,
You are ex-Congress party member, so I will do you a special favor today, sir.
No,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं
I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा ये you are a leader of opposition.
Okay. So let me speak, sir.
Please, I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know that. That's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side, you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again, you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
I think you are not ready to avoid the law.
Unless there was a chokehold on him. So, but I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
You and your member have not made any question. And I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे अब कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए, please.
मैं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
Okay, thank you.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude.
Now I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. लॉजिक ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर, and it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. I'm not saying anything.
एक रूलिंग है. आप रिपीट बार एक चीज का हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना. ये बोल सकते हैं. बोलने दो उनको. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है. पीछे से खड़े हो जाते हैं बिना मतलब का. इनका लीडर ऑपोजिशन को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सर आपने एक रूलिंग दिया है.
मिस्टर राहुल
सर
बीइंग अ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर ही से
मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो आपने रूलिंग दिया है, मैंने तब भी कहा, राहुल गांधी जी ने बार रिपीट किया. हमने फिर भी कहा कि आप नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पे जाइए, हम लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे. आप फिर से रिपीट किया. दो तीन मुद्दे आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी का नाम लेकर के आप जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया और जो आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, मैं चेयर के माध्यम से मैं आपको अनुरोध करता हूं और ये मेरा डिमांड भी है कि आपने जितना एलिगेशन लगाया है, चेयरमैन ने रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, आपको ऑथेंटिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है. आप मामूली आप सामान्य सदस्य नहीं है. यू आर द लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन सर्टेन थिंग, there is a serious connotation.
Can you take it?
I would urge honorable leader of opposition, because he is the leader of opposition, all the points he has made have serious repercussion. He must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I've got it.
You have to
Because let me authenticate.
Kindly Already you have taken 45 minutes. Kindly,
Sir, let me authenticate, sir.
but kindly you
Sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
that you have to just give in advance and that you have
No,
to
no, sir.
submit.
I will
That you
authenticate
have-
right now.
वो क्या समझे इधर ऑथेंटिकेट करता हूँ ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं है ही शुड प्रोड्यूस द प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड अदरवाइज और साइन करके देना है अदरवाइज ऑथेंटिकेट
उनको बोलिए भाषण
सर यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने ऑथेंटिकेट कर दिया था
Speaker,
आप कंक्लूड करें.
sir, Speaker, sir, Minister has asked me.
फिर मिनिस्टर की बात मत करिए.
But बोलो तो सर, conclude तो करने दीजिए
हाँ,
सर.
conclude करिए.
Sir, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs has asked me to authenticate my allegations. I have them written here. I am going to authenticate.
Oh, that is a procedure. मतलब
I will also give the
you can't-
procedure.
हाँ, so then you have to follow that procedure.
Yes, but I want
here,
to-
here you are only making speech
No,
on
but I want to
budget.
authenticate.
Only you just conclude your budget speech because if you want to submit something, so please in future you can just according to your procedure, then you have to submit. Please.
Okay. Speaker, sir, the evidence, sir, is in Department of Justice files that have been released in the United States. Hardeep Puri's name is in it. Anil Ambani's name is in it.
ऐसा नहीं बनेगा. राहुल जी,
Sir, the
जानबूझकर
evidence is
आपने
that government of India has refused to serve summons
Mr.
to Adani for last 14.
Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise. Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise to the chair. I will not mention the name of minister, but you are repeatedly just mentioning the name. How you can? You have made it promise. No. You have made it promise.
Because the minister said that I should authenticate. Now I have the papers to authenticate. I have it here. 1 second, please. I have the paper. Now I said to you, 1 second. I have the documents here. I said to you that I will authenticate and I will also I will authenticate right now and I will put it there on the table. But you're not allowing me to do it. Anyway, I understand that. I understand it. I understand you don't want me to authenticate here. You want me to authenticate there. That's not a problem. What I want to conclude with, sir,